How to post stories on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post stories on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you go ahead and open your TikTok app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store first and check if your TikTok is up to date. If you see an update button, just click on that so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to post stories on TikTok. After you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just head on and open TikTok over here. And from the home page or from any other page, you can actually access this button right here, the plus button at the bottom mid. So just click on that and it will open up the camera page. So for example, if you're currently from your camera, just click on the story option over here beside camera, and you can take a photo or a video. So for example, I want to post a photo over here. I'm just going to click on that and click on this shutter button to take a photo. And once you are here, you can simply just add a lot of elements over here. You can add text, stickers, also add effects, filters, and check on the privacy settings as well as a voiceover. So if you want to post this certain picture at your story, you just simply have to click on this option over here that says post to story. Just click on that and you will see it loading over here from the inbox page, and your story was uploaded. So that means that your story has successfully been uploaded. So if you click on this on your profile icon over here, you should be able to see your story. And you can do the same steps at your profile page over here. Just click on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and you can also click on this plus icon beside your profile icon. So that is how you can basically post stories on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.